Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I have got another flashcart to review. So this was sent to me by the same eBay user as last time, JameAge0. I will leave a link to his store and a link to this product in the description because he has got many other stuff on his store, and I will also leave a link if you guys are interested in this. But anyway, let's just unbox this now. So basically this is a Pokemon cartridge for the Game Boy Color and all Game Boy Advances, and basically guys, this has every Pokemon game from the original Game Boy up until the Game Boy Color games. So as you can see, it's called Pokemon All Fairy, and apparently all saves work as well, so you won't lose your saves on this. And right there it says only for Game Boy Color, but it does actually work on the Game Boy Advances as well. I tested this out on my original Game Boy and my Game Boy Pocket, and it just didn't work on that. But anyway, let me just show you this on the Game Boy Color first. So it's quite hard to see the Game Boy Color screen, but as you can see, this is what the menu looks like. If I just scroll up there, so we've got Pokemon Gold, we've got Pokemon Silver, Pokemon Crystal, Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Red, Pokemon Blue, and then Pokemon Green for the original Game Boy. So I've never actually played Pokemon Green before. I think that was a Japanese only version, and it's probably I guess this one's in English, maybe it's been like modified or something, so it's all in English. So let's just start that up. So as you can see, there's a few options down there, you know, up and down to select, and then A to start. So let's just start Pokemon Green. So here we are on the home screen, and it's definitely Pokemon Green version. So let's just start that. Let's just do a new game. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip a bit, save it, and then test if the saves work, and then I'll test this on my Game Boy Advance SP. Right guys, so I'm in the original starting place now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save it. So let's just press start, then go to save. Would you like to save the game? Yes. Now saving. So I've noticed it actually takes 5 seconds longer to save. I'm not too sure why it does that, but it doesn't really matter. Green has saved the game. Now let's just turn this off. Now I'm going to be testing this out on my Game Boy Advance SP. Now it seems to actually remember that we played Pokemon Green last time, which is kind of interesting. So let's just go onto it. Hopefully it comes up with continue, and then we will know that the save files work. So let's start the game, Pokemon Green version. Yep, there you go, continue. And there you go guys, so save files work. So this cart is actually really cool. Obviously you can use this feature as well if you press left or right to change the screen size, so you can have it stretched or normal version. And let's just take a look at the other games quickly and just make sure they all work. Right, so let's take a look. Let's go for one of the Game Boy Color games. So Pokemon Gold was the Pokemon Gold and Silver are the newest for Game Boy Color. Yeah guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. So this game is actually really cool. I would definitely recommend it if you want to play all the Pokemon games from Game Boy to Game Boy Color without having to buy an expensive flashcart. Obviously this works on Game Boy Color and pretty much all Game Boy Advance systems. I'm not too sure if this would work on the GameCube adapter or any other kind of adapter that supports Game Boy Color games, but you know, you could always try it. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.